Hey, what's up? If you're watching this right now, it's because you came across one of my reels on social media and you're also interested on how to make money just posting ads. And all you need is a smartphone. If you don't know who I am, my name is Catherine Montez. I've been in network marketing now for 5 to 6 years. And the company that I particularly promote for, they've been around for 20 plus years. And I'm not trying to sound cliche or anything when I say that this opportunity has changed my life, but it actually has. I was able to quit my job. I fired my boss during an entire pandemic. And not only am I able to take care of myself financially, but I also take care of my mother as well, to the point that she doesn't have to work. Digital marketing has been around for many years. The products that they offer are something that everyone needs. So it's not trending right now where they're gonna be gone in like a week or a couple of months. The products that we offer is financial education, including the DIY credit program that I talk about all the time. I have people on my team that are making $500 to $1,000 plus weekly with this opportunity. If you're 18 years of age, you live in the US, you have a smartphone, and you have 2 or 3 hours to spare, and you're serious about making money, then continue watching this video. We post on social media on a daily basis anyway, so why not get paid for doing it? And on top of that, we don't have to worry about inventory. We don't have to worry about all that extra responsibility. We're pretty much the middleman. We're sharing the products that the company offers. Someone will sign up using your link and we get paid. And not only are we getting paid weekly, but we also get paid passive income. We're getting paid for work we already did weeks and months ago. So not only are you getting paid monthly on top, but you're getting paid your weekly. Now there's many companies that do affiliate marketing. Just to name a few, we have Amazon, we have Louis Vuitton, and so much more. And you're probably thinking that you need a big following or you need to have experience to do this. There are people on my team that have enrolled and they started getting signups in the same day or so. Now, when you enroll with me, I do personally reach out to you. I add you to our support groups and chats where you can ask for help. And I also provide you with training on how to build your business. So we provide you with all the tools. What you do with it is completely up to you. Now I'm done talking. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the link down below. And I'm excited to have you on the team.